This is Fred and Mark from MRC. Welcome to our series of introduction video for the MRC 01. This video, we're going to talk about the controller, what each button does, and suggest recommended settings for beginners. Here, we have the power on-off button, followed by the gyro button. The gyro function basically provides assistance by correcting oversteering. This allows beginners to pick up driving faster. There are 4 settings. When you first turn on the remote, the gyro will be automatically be activated at minimum setting. Press once to activate the medium setting. Controller will flash twice. Press again to activate maximum setting. Controller will flash 3 times. Press the button once more to deactivate the gyro. This will be indicated by 4 flashes. We strongly recommend minimum setting for RCP track, medium setting for carpet track, and maximum setting for home tracks. Please do not use medium or maximum setting on RCP track. Throttle dual rate. This allows you to set the maximum speed for the car. This is especially useful for beginners who wish to start at a slower speed. To increase the maximum speed, turn clockwise. And anti-clockwise to reduce it. Steering dual rate. This is where you adjust maximum steering angle. Clockwise increases steering angle and anti-clockwise decreases it. We recommend beginners to start with a lower steering rate to get used to the car. Lastly, steering trim. This trim sets the resting point of the servo and help you to center the steering. If your car gravitates towards the right, you should turn this dial anti-clockwise to counter the bias. Should your car gravitates towards the left, then you should turn the dial clockwise. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you in our next video.